Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, Starry Night 3. So here it is, let's read the story. Vision has never been very good. Officer Song, she supported herself on the ground. Dr. Linian, she was thinking. Officer Song is now crazy. Right now, she's been slacking. Well, for her, Officer Song suddenly trying to assault her. It really made her crazy. Dr. Lin, right now, if you force yourselves like this, don't want to use your right hand anymore. But, Dr. Lin, Officer Song continued to provoke her. Well, she seems that she was in pain. Dr. Lin, she was on the ground. Well, for her, she was really in painful. But, she can do anything to accept the vent of Officer Song to her. Everything's messed up, especially the evidence. The accused person, complainant, everyone's died. Because of this, the case will be closed. All of the efforts are be gone to waste. But Officer Song, right now, still care for her. But Dr. Lin, she has an eye ego. Right now, she don't want anyone to step on it. Even though Officer Song only wants to question her. What will happen on that day? Dr. Lin, until now, she really don't want to speak herself about what happened on that day. Well, probably, she really don't want to talk about it. But right now, Officer Song continued to press her. She was calling her, said it out, and what happened on that day. But Dr. Lin, till now, she really want to trick Officer Song. Dr. Lin said, Song Yuhang, they do wrong to your mother. Well, right now, Officer's still holding her. And Dr. Lin can move herself. Probably the two of them are getting mad. That's why no one's gonna back out. Dr. Lin said to her, I'm screwed. Right now still. Officer Song holding her hand. She is not releasing her. For Officer Song, of course, she wants to know what will happen on that day. Well, until now, till it revealed, he has some scar. Instead of tattoo, Officer Song wants to see right now. Well, what will Officer Song's gonna do? Since Dr. Lin, he was still pressed down, Officer Song said, this is not a tattoo. He carved it with a knife forcefully. Oh, she really understands. It was really painful to curb herself like that. Especially she was a girl. But right now, Officer Song, looking at Dr. Lin, you, she really pity her. That's why right now, she's seeing her on the different side of person. Have you seen enough? If you have seen enough, get up. Oh, Dr. Lin should want to go. But Officer Song still pin her down. Looking at Dr. Lin, maybe right now, he was really ashamed Officer Song see hers. But looking at her, she looks really sad. Well, about the scar, don't know yet what happened. That's why she got it herself. But looking at Officer Song, she looks really pitied. Well, for her, it was really painful. Till now, suddenly released Dr. Lin and move herself not to see her. Dr. Lin, right now, did she trying to wipe up her tears? Right now, Officer Song is a little bit calmed down. Well, she was sighing. It's really tiring day. Especially, it was raining hard, but the two of them having arguments on a strong windy night. Well, they must been cold. Officer Song trying to reach her hand. Said to her, stand up. Well, right now, trying to approach her. But Dr. Lin suddenly snapped her hand. Well, maybe she was still hurt. What Officer Song said to her this night. Right now, she was gently standing up, looking at her, a little bit shaky. Well, of course, she obtained a lot of bruises. An officer's song. But right now, she's trying herself to stand up alone. Even though she was shaking, Officer Song, seeing her like that, fall down on the floor. Probably did she have remorse that all of the conversation today is gone to waste because she want to rush everything. Officer Song said, Linian. Now she want to help her. But Linian, of course, don't want Officer Song to touch her. Now she's going inside the house. Officer Song, she was standing still, only seeing Dr. Lin, who is right now limping. Well, since it was still raining hard, the two of them are getting drenched in the rain. Of course, all of them are getting cold. But for now, at least, Dr. Lin said to Officer Song, whether you believe it or not, wasn't the one who's eliminated Sung Soo Ming. I'm just a witness. Well, Dr. Lin trying to set her. She is not involved in the case of Sun Soo Ming and Li Shiping. Right now, Officer Song Ting is shaping for her love with Ding Sui. She drew a not so perfect ending. Well, it was perfect definition of love of Li Shiping towards Ding Sui. But under her last breath, she really want to make Sun Soo Ming to pay for her crimes. Especially Ding Sui, the one Li Shiping's love. But after the conversation with Officer Song, Dr. Lin went inside. Now she take a bath because she was drenched in the rain. Of course, need to take a bath. But right now, looking herself in the mirror, she was checking herself. Well, maybe she really obtained some bruises. Fighting was too harsh for them. She's seeing herself suddenly pick up scalpel. Well, what is she trying to do? Let's hope she will not harm herself. But, of course, right now, she looks really sad. Well, just to scrape the scars. Now, she slashes again. Oh, it must really hurt. Right now, Dr. Lin, she was thinking too much. Of course, it must really hurt. But, we can do anything now. Every time she think about it, she will think Chunan about her past life. And it was really cruel for her. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!